Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to download any video from any website using Google Chrome. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll break it down into simple steps, so let's get started. Step 1. Install the Video Downloader extension. Open Google Chrome on your computer. Search for Video Downloader Professional Chrome extension. Click on the first result and select Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Step 2. Pin the extension. Click on the puzzle icon at the top of your browser. Find Video Downloader Professional in the list. Click the pin icon to keep it easily accessible. Step 3. Download any video. Open the website with the video you want to download. Play the video for a few seconds. Click the download icon in your Chrome toolbar. Select the video and click Download. Step 4. Save and watch your video. Choose a location to save the file. Click Save and the download will start. Once done, open the file and enjoy your video. That's it. Now you can download any video with just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech tips. See you in the next one.